Let's learn natural English.
Give me a sec and I'll answer in just a moment. Check it out, this looks absolutely amazing. Check it out before we leave the house today. Check it out and tell me what you think about it. Watch out, the floor is very wet and slippery. Watch out for that step right in front of you. Watch out when crossing the street, especially at night. Got it, I'll do that right away without delay. Got it, thanks for telling me, I appreciate it. Got it, that really helps me understand the situation. No worries, take your time, there is no rush. No worries, everything is fine, so don't stress about it. No worries, everything is fine, so don't stress about it. Come on, we're almost there, just a little more. Come on, tell me the story from the beginning. Come on, let's get started before it gets too late. I kinda like this place, it has a nice vibe. She kinda likes rainy days more than sunny ones. We kinda like working here, it feels comfortable. It takes time, you know, especially when you're learning. I mean, that could work if we plan it properly. I mean, we can try tomorrow, if you're free. I mean, that sounds fair considering the situation. What do you think about this plan? Does it make sense? What do you want for lunch today? Anything in mind? What do you need from me right now? Tell me clearly.
Go under. English, phrasal verbs. Go under.
A tradução mais direta em português é:
Passar por debaixo de, ficar guardado debaixo de, afundar, submergir, ir à falência, ficar inconsciente.
Exemplos. The boat went under the bridge. The dog went under the table. The boats went under us as we stood on the bridge. After you go under the bridge and make a right, you'll see the store up ahead. That box goes under the bed. I think it goes under that category. All the Christmas presents go under the tree after the children are asleep. This goes under the bed for now. Someday we'll have rooms and rooms for books. This leaky boat is about to go under. The crowd watched as the ship went slowly under. Captain, if this boat takes on any more water, it'll go under. After capsizing, the ship went under very slowly. The ship leaked so badly that it finally went under. Is the film industry going under? A lot of businesses go under in the first year. Nothing could be done to keep the bank from going under. Thousands of companies went under during the recession. We feared the business would go under after the founder died. Businesses have gone under, and there has also been an impact on jobs. If one firm goes under, it could provoke a cascade of bankruptcies. Tom went under and the operation began. After you go under, you'll wake up in the recovery room. She tried desperately to fight off her drowsiness, but felt herself going under. After a few minutes, she went under and the surgeon began to work. The surgeons gave me a strong anesthetic, and I quickly went under.
Slangs.
The movie follows a chick who dreams of becoming a pilot. We decided to stay home and chill all weekend. Just chill and stop worrying about every little detail. They like to chill by the lake during the summer afternoons. Don't let that chump take advantage of your kindness. He felt like a chump after believing the obvious lie. Only a chump would pay that much for a fake watch. Some influencers care more about clout than real friendships. He used his social media clout to promote the event. People chase clout online by posting controversial videos. Your new jacket looks really cool with those sneakers. She stayed cool even during the stressful meeting. That cafe has a cool atmosphere and great music. I'm going downtown to cop a new pair of shoes. He copped the last concert ticket before they sold out. She wants to cop the newest smartphone next month. My brother became a couch potato during his vacation. Don't spend the whole weekend being a couch potato. After the surgery, he felt like a couch potato for weeks. That comedian always cracks me up with his stories. We cracked up when the dog stole food from the table. Her impression of the teacher made the entire class crack up. I'm so tired that I'm going to crash right after dinner.
Idioms today.
Idioms.
Peter always rocks the boat when we discuss the company's spending policy in meetings. When the car broke down on the highway, they had to get her and walk to the nearest town. The guest room upstairs was completely made over into a comfortable nursery room. They like to camp out in the woods during summer holidays whenever they get the chance. He was about to fall asleep on the sofa when the telephone suddenly rang loudly. They argued for hours, but finally they settled on Peter's plan of action for the project. He was just a child when war broke out in his country and changed everything. The child calmed down quickly when we gave him his favorite teddy bear to hold. We were away on vacation last week, enjoying some time to relax and rest. I have to cut corners this week because I am low on money until payday. The painting above the mantelpiece adds a special touch to the living room. My mother dropped me off at school on her way to work early in the morning. First he said he would help me, but then he went back on his word completely. Stop beating around the bush and tell me exactly what you want to say. The runner passed by quick as a flash during the final stretch of the race. Your plants will dry out very quickly if you don't give them enough water every day. You can hang up your coat on the coat rack in the hall when you come inside.
Bargain down. English, phrasal verbs. Bargain down.
A tradução mais direta em português é:
Negociar, barganhar.
Exemplos.
I bargained the price down by $200. The savvy shopper bargained the clerk down. If that offer is too expensive, bargain it down some more. Mama bargained down the price of apples, carrots, and oranges. If I can't bargain him down to $20, I won't buy the coat. They want $30, but if you try, you can bargain it down to $20. Consequently, service fees get bargained down in contract negotiations. Can you believe I bargained that guy down to $30 for the dresser? Can you believe I bargained the price of that dresser down to $30? He bargained down the price slightly by £400 and then transferred the money. I found one I like, successfully bargained down the price, and went to bed satisfied.